Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 6. Write a chemical equation to show the preparation of ethine from dehalogenation of 1,2 dihalide and tetrahalide. There are two reactions for the preparation of ethine. We have two reactions. We have to write two reactions for the preparation of ethine. One is dehalogenation. Dehalogenation means removal of halogen molecule or halogen atom from 1,2 dihalide and also from tetrahalide. So first I am writing the reaction of dehalogenation of 1,2 dihalide. Dehalogenation dehydrohalogenation of 1,2 dihalide. 1,2 dihalide means that two halogen atoms are attached to the carbon, one attached to one carbon and other halogen attached to second carbon. So 1,2 dihalide, I am taking vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide is CH2, single bond CH2, one Cl attached to one carbon and one Cl attached to one carbon. So in this molecule there are two carbon atom and one chlorine is attached to one carbon and one chlorine is attached to another carbon. So it is 1,2 dichloro, means that 1,2 dichloro means that two chloro is attached, one attached to first carbon and second attached to the second carbon. So 1,2 dichloro ethane means that we have a molecule of two carbon atoms. So two carbon atoms representing from ethane and a single bond between these two atoms, these two carbon atoms is representing by ane. And 1,2 dichloroethane is also known as vicinal dihalide. So it is vicinal dihalide. So 1,2 dichloroethane when reacted with KOH in the presence of alcohol. So it is a preparation of dehydrohalogenation. Whenever you have to perform the process of dehydrohalogenation, you have to react the molecule with KOH in the presence of alcohol. So KOH is a reactant in the presence of alcohol is whenever you have to perform the reaction of dehydrohalogenation. So it is dehydrohalogenation means that you have to remove the hydrogen and the halogen atom. So in this process there are two halogen, one halogen will remove from one carbon and hydrogen atom will remove to another adjacent carbon. So in this molecule first I am removing this chlorine atom from this carbon and one hydrogen from this carbon. When one hydrogen is removed from this carbon there will be CHCl, and when one chlorine is removed from this carbon this will be CH2 only, and this single bond is converted into double bond. So and then this removed Cl linked to this K to form KCl, and this removed hydrogen linked to OH to form H2O. So again this is vinyl chloride. Then again when vinyl chloride CHCl double bond CH2 again reacted with KOH in the presence of alcohol, or we can also say that it is alcoholic KOH. Again this process is dehydrohalogenation. You have to remove the hydrogen and the halogen. So halogen will remove from this carbon and hydrogen will remove from this carbon. So there will be now after removing there will be one hydrogen, and this is CH, and double bond will be converted into triple bond. The removed Cl linked to K to form KCl and the removed hydrogen linked to OH to form H2O, and this will be KCl. So this is ethine. So we have prepared ethine by the process of dehydrohalonation of 1,2 dihalide, and 1,2 dihalide is 1,2 dichloroethane. So first, when 1,2 dichloroethane first reacted with KOH in the presence of alcohol, forming vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride again reacted with KOH in the presence of alcohol, forming ethine. So this is the first reaction for the preparation of ethine. In the second reaction, we have to take tetrahalide. Tetrahalide means we have to take 4 chlorine. So I am taking an ethane molecule, 2 carbons. There are we have to take 4 carbons. This the process is dehalogenation. Dehalogenation of tetrahalide. Tetrahalide means we have to take 4 chlorine. So 1 chlorine from this attached to this carbon, 1 chlorine to this, 1 chlorine to this carbon, and 1 chlorine to this carbon. So remaining valencies will be completed by hydrogen atom. This carbon having 1, 2, 3 valencies. So remaining 1 valencies will be completed by 1 hydrogen. Similarly, 1 hydrogen will attach to it. So this is 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloroethane. Tetrachloro means that 4 chlorine is attached to ethane molecule, and the position of 4 chlorine is 1, 1, 2, 2. 2 chlorine is attached to 1 first position, and 2 chlorine is attached to second position. When 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloroethane is reacted with Zn, Zn is also known as dust in the presence of heat. So Zn react with 2 chlorine, removing 1 chlorine from 1 carbon and another chlorine with other carbon, forming ZnCl2. So these 2 chlorine will remove, and the single bond is converted into double bond. So now it is CH double bond CH and Cl Cl. So it is now 1, 2 dichloroethene, means that 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloride is converted into 1, 2 dichloroethane when reacted with Zn in the presence of heat. Now this 1, 2 dichloroethane CH double bond CH, chlorine and chlorine, again reacted with Zn in the presence of heat. Then this Zn reacted with these 2 chlorine atom, forming ZnCl2, and this double bond is converted into triple bond. So it is now CH triple bond CH. It is now converted into ethine. So tetrahalide first reacted with Zn, forming dichloroethene. Dichloroethene again reacted with Zn, forming ethine. So we have done with question number 6. In this question we have done by 2 preparation of ethine, one from dehydrohalogenation of 1, 2 dihalide, and the second is by dehalogenation of tetrahalide. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.